Amazing facts about Arctic fox you didn't know. Appearance: Arctic foxes have thick fur that changes color with the seasons, white in winter and brown or gray in summer. Size: Adult Arctic foxes weigh up to 17 pounds and measure up to 28 inches in length. Habitat: Found in Arctic and alpine tundra regions across the northern hemisphere. Diet: Omnivores, feeding on small mammals, birds, insects, and vegetation. Behavior: Solitary during the breeding season but may form small groups in winter. Conservation status: Least concern but affected by climate change and competition with red foxes. Reproduction: Females give birth to 5 to 10 pups after a gestation period of about 52 days, with pups staying with their parents for several months. Threats: Climate change, habitat loss, and competition with red foxes. Adaptations: Thick fur for insulation, a bushy tail for warmth, and the ability to change fur color with the seasons. Conservation efforts: Habitat protection and research on climate change impacts. Lifespan: In the wild, Arctic foxes can live up to 3 to 6 years, and in captivity, they may live longer. Cultural significance: Featured in Arctic folklore and mythology, representing adaptability and resilience. Global populations: Found across the Arctic, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Role in ecosystem: Important scavengers and predators that help maintain the balance of their ecosystems. Research: Studies on Arctic fox behavior, genetics, and adaptation strategies to address climate change impacts.